up, then knit. This is used to create the shoulders and the sleeves for Cocoknits Method sweaters. And you're going to use a skinny DPN or circular needle and first pick up the stitches. No yarn involved. You're going to insert the skinny needle between the first two stitches. These are the same horizontal bars that you would use or if you were seaming. So this is as if you were doing a mattress stitch or a blind stitch. You're going to scoop up these ladder stitches. You're going to scoop up 3 and then go over the 4th. And this just secures your needle in your knitting because these aren't really stitches, so this helps to hold them. So scoop up 3, go over the 4th, and then count those ladder stitches. And you want to make sure that you count the ones that you passed over. So every single stitch. Now you're going to actually start to knit them. And to do this, you join in your yarn, and I like to knit them through the back loop. They're just easier to get through if you knit them through the back loop. So you can see you're going to knit 1, 2, 3, and then you've got to scoop up and knit that number 4 that you passed over. So there's 4, 5, 6, there's number 7, and then again, number 8, you've got to scoop it up and knit it through the back loop. And if you've got too many stitches, you're just going to knit 2 together through the back loop to decrease down to the number of stitches you need. And this replicates a seam and makes a really nice firm foundation for your entire sweater. There you go.